And we are live.
We're live.
Yeah, the weekend collaborations, Mike and Dan, February 2, 2019. The 30 days of January is over, man. Was it 30 or 60? 60. The 60 days of January is gone. And
Of what?
yeah,
The 60 days?
yeah, it's normally longer than it is expected to be.
The 60 days of what?
January.
Oh. January's gone by.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think where we left off last time, we got a breakthrough with the cucumber tests.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I don't know where we want to move next. Maybe if I open my
Okay. Let's take a look.
let's take a look. So I should see the. I should probably just have a shortcut for weekend collaborations, you know.
Oh, yeah.
VM lists. VM use. You're not moving to Linux?
Not yet. Gotta have some time.
Yeah.
Look, everything's green. Well,
Yep. Everything was green, yeah, when we left. Let me see if mine is to features. So I don't know whether no, but I don't think so. Because I was thinking maybe we are supposed to implement some RSpec tests.
yeah.
Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, possibly. And let me go ahead
And then we were to do the negative.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because we only did the successful merge.
Yeah.
And then maybe some other users as well trying to.
Okay. No, not that.
Yeah, so let me share my screen. Share my screen. And
So we need to test that a non-admin cannot merge articles.
Yeah.
We also probably need to test when articles are merged, the merged article should have one author. And comments on each of the two original articles need to all carry over and point to the new merged article.
Comments on each of the two original articles need to all carry over and point to the new merged article. Okay. So are we supposed to create a new article? It was
guess
just
so.
it was just I think how we did it. It just updated one.
Okay.
Yeah, because I remember there was nothing added to the there was no new object created in the database. No new record. Yeah.
But does it? Okay. Yeah, it might be better to create a new article so that you could go back if you decide if someone decides they shouldn't have been merged. They have the two original articles still in the database, but
Yeah. But is there somewhere they speak about that? You want to add useful feature?
well, no, not
Yeah.
really. Well, maybe we could just work on checking these things and then maybe go back and refactor or something. Well, I don't know. Just change it later to where it doesn't delete the articles.
Yeah. Yep. Maybe.
And then driving changes through specs is what we wanted to look at to see if there's any RSpec tests we need to write.
Yeah, any aspect. I think the only issue is there's nowhere we were how can I put it? There's nowhere we were yeah. Hey, you're a typo. Is this? Could you please share the link the link on the chat?
Sure. Of the README?
Yeah, the reading, yes.
Okay.
Just a moment.
Scenarios 3 and 4.
Hey, Dan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm back.
All right.
So you're saying something.
So it says we should write the specs for scenarios 1 and 2, which are that the admin, non-admin cannot merge, and then the two articles should be able to be merged by an admin, I guess. What was just scenario 2? When articles are merged, articles should contain the text of both previous articles. We've done that one. And this one we were about to start. So it says write the test to drive that in the code.
Okay, so we do the scenario first, and then we do Cucumber first, and then we do RSpec, right?
Yeah. Just looking for. It doesn't look like there's anything about RSpec actually. It just says write Cucumber scenarios and then write the to drive the code and then.
But when they space specs to verify, is it not? Are Cucumber steps also called specs? The Cucumber scenarios.
I'd say so, but I mean, it says you should create Cucumber tests to drive the code changes to implement each scenario.
Oh yeah.
Start by implementing step definitions that will show an admin with a merge with this article button. When clicked, will dispatch to a controller
Yeah.
action that does the merge, which we did.
Yeah.
Actually, we did more than that, but yeah.
Yeah. We were with the Rider last week, like this week earlier on, and he also, I think the some pairing session we were doing, maybe on the leak some of, and he also stressed that you never want to implement in your controller the other things other than the REST functions.
Mm-hmm.
That's the read, the create, update, just the normal REST CRUD. So if you start creating more stuff in your controller, they're getting fat, and I think that's not nice.
Yeah, but merge would be considered an update, right?
Yeah. So something like a merge. Like initially last week, I was thinking we could create maybe probably a new method in route for merge. But yeah, like the way we implemented it, we just had it within the update. Like my previous thought was that we will have something separate. So I think the chat with Ryder stressed on what we did last week. I'm not sure if I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. So what? So I didn't.
Yeah.
Were you talking about something specific with our controller?
I was just talking of how we implemented the merge as an update.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just saying it was the correct way to do it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right, we did good.
Yeah.
Woo!
So where do we go from here? Oh, you are in your code already. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm just looking over content controller. But yeah, let's
Start by implementing the string definition that will show an admin, but not a regular user. Merge with this article button.
yeah. So we
We
did
started
that.
that, but we didn't say that it will not be shown to a not regular user.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe.
Okay. Okay, so I don't really. It says basically write the scenarios for 1, 2, and not like I guess we don't need to do 3 and 4 at all for this assignment.
Okay.
Because yeah, it says when you're finished, you should have cucumber scenarios. A non-admin cannot merge 2 articles, and when articles are merged, the merged articles contain both the text of the text of both previous articles, passing green, and then it says commit and push to Heroku and submit. So, yeah, basically all we have to do is write the next scenario and we're done.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's write it. So right now what I have is given average Joe is on the edit content page for traveling. I should not see merge.
Yeah.
Should I not see merge or should there be a merge? And then if you click merge, then it says something like you're not allowed to do that.
I think I should not see merge.
Should not see it. Okay.
Yeah, I should not see it, and I should not see the text box as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think we might want to start with the given I am logged in as another user. What we had.
Yeah, that should be given I am logged into the admin panel as Average Joe, or whatever the non-admin is. Mm-hmm. Was there any reason why we did this with password?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess there must have been, but couldn't, like, if we kept the password the same as the username, wouldn't it just, we could just leave that out? Or?
So you're saying, so you haven't assigned passwords to your users up there?
No,
in your
but if you assume that the password, like my password is the same as the username.
Yeah.
So, I
But
don't know.
but you know, when you do and the following users exist and you don't, that means
Right.
when you're doing the following users exist, in your implementation, you'll have to pass the username as the password.
The following users exist: user create, login, user login, password, user login. That's the step. Basically sets up everybody's password as the same as the login.
Yeah.
For me. So
Yeah, I think that's clever. But maybe someone will get confused.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just we already have it written this way, so
Yeah.
it does make it easier to write this step because we passed password, so all we had to do is say fill in with password instead of looking up the user and getting the password.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the only difference is that if we just use user login, someone reading the code will be confused. So he'll be confused. You will not understand why you're using user login in place of password, instead of just having password so that he easily understands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
What's the line number? 28. Let's see if that runs.
kind of feel bad that Peter's not going to be here for. I think we're almost finished.
Yeah, he said he'll be on tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's hope it doesn't turn out to be Matthew.
Wow. Yeah. Should it be a hi there or should it be? How did you set up your articles?
Yeah, I called. I had hi there, and yeah.
So the author for hi there is publisher.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Oh yeah, that should work. Are you're using publisher to log in with?
I've logged in as contributor.
No, oh, okay, that's why. Yeah, log in as publisher.
Yeah. So contributor cannot. Where am I getting this?
I think because if you try and go to that page and you're not logged in as someone that can edit the article, I'm guessing that's why.
Okay, just a minute. Hello. Yeah, I'm back. It's crazy. It's crazy with the kids, you know.
Yeah.
So, maybe this is for another. Maybe they've tested it elsewhere. So maybe it shouldn't bother me. The admin edit page for.
Good try.
Yeah. Yeah, same thing. So can contributors
Oh, you didn't change it. Like I think you need to change the instead of oh, contributors can't write articles. Yeah, contributors can only I believe contributors can only what do you call it? like comment on articles.
Comment.
And then publishers can write articles, and administrators can write articles and edit like anybody else's articles.
Yeah, but then now how do you put?
So you'll have to change
No.
your login step to log in as a publisher.
So the publisher,
And
is not an admin, right?
admin, so they can't merge articles. That's what we're checking for.
Oh, okay.
Login successful. It says
They had wrong passwords there.
you have a typo.
Where?
Publisher. It's spelled publisher wrong. Take out the S out of publisher. And change. Yeah, there you go.
Rushing back.
All right. All right. Not even my button. Someone's not happy.
Yep. So here I'm back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I should not see.
The merge button.
Merge article.
Yeah. No, I think just you need to make that step more like your other steps where it says I should see or should not see something.
Yeah, but I thought we instead of just looking into the text to see if there's something called merge, I was thinking that it's better to confirm that it's a button and the button contains the text merge.
Okay. Well, there's going to be So if you check that there's nothing called merge, then doesn't that mean that there's no button called merge?
Yeah, but you know, this is okay. If I just say I should not see merge, it will look for text. So within the, or maybe let's try it out and see. I should not see
Yeah,
merge.
it'll just look for merge in there. So in the body, right?
Yeah. So it did not see merge, yet merge is there. Or is it capital M? Is my merge capital M? Okay.
Yeah, it probably is capitalized. Yeah. In your step successfully merge articles, you can see and I press merge with a capital M.
Yeah.
So if you want to check, you could maybe break it and see if it
Yeah.
if the test fails.
I should not see. So that's in the web step. So yeah, I think that's where I should have the breakpoint. So save. What's going on? Yeah, I think I skipped a step. So there's that step where we were clicking on edit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right. Oh yeah, we skipped a step.
So when I fill in, when I'm the admin edit page for,
No, wait a minute. Yeah. If you're on the admin edit content page, then that should be. So did you do a save and open page right on that step? Or like on the I should not see merge?
did I?
How did you get that page that you were looking at? Did you do save and open page?
Yeah, I did a binding.py, then I did the save and open page.
And I should not see. Which, yeah, but like I think you need to exit and go to the next time it does. I should. Oh, is that the only I should not see?
Yep.
Oh,
You aren't allowed to perform this action.
you are not allowed to perform what action?
This, I think it was clicking on, like when I'm on the admin edit content page for good try.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me just run it.
Oh, did you well, who's the author for Good Try? It's contributor, right? Yeah, you gotta change it to hi there.
I don't understand.
So a publisher can only edit the blog that they publish, the article that they publish. They can't edit other people's. So since the author was a contributor, you're not gonna have access to that page. That's why it's doing that. Because you're logged in as publisher, you're not gonna have access to that to edit the Good Try article that was written by someone else.
So hi there was written by publisher.
Yeah. So if you do that and then try it.
Just want to see. Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. And there is a merge.
Yeah, so if I do exit, then I should not see merge this process.
Huh.
Yeah. And if I change this to, then I should see merge. This fails because in the text, there's nowhere in the text where we have merge. But if we frame it such that such that it's a button with text merge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything?
Where's the cheat sheet when you need it? So yeah, the old man is calling. Let me just tell
Oh, is that me?
you. Yeah, no, the old man, but I think he hung up. So in the cheat sheet, so yeah, I think we should do such a thing. Expect page to have button save. So if they have that here. Oh, they haven't implemented that.
So, there's also this step that's already written that says So here's the stuff that we were trying to use because it says it's looking at page should have no content. So that's why. But if you do this instead of a string, you put in some regex expression, regular expression, then it will search. It'll do the page should have no X path. Does that
Yeah, but
work
then
to look for a button? Or there's also this the field within blank should contain blank or should not contain.
that's copying it to something. So I think let me just let Capybara help me generate this thing. I should not see button merge. So are the steps written? You remember how we used to have this in a regex such that I think was it this way? You remember how we used to do this? Such that this will have to
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
We would like put not in the quotes so it could be
So not will be in quotes.
so it could handle both I should see button and should not see button,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
In the same step.
yeah.
Hmm.
So that we have if an if statement. I think it was done this way. But there was a question mark somewhere. I don't know.
Hmm.
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. But how do we specify the knot?
So if the knot's there, then it'll be in this capture group. Otherwise, the capture group will be nil, right? So
Oh, okay.
I think.
Okay. Bus. Follow. 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 I'm doing.
Okay. Oops.
Mike, Mike, Mike. Pesa na maji.
Hmm. I didn't write the step correctly because it's not matching the case where there's then I should see a merge button. Okay.
Yeah, you saw how they do the question mark.
Yep.
But still, for me, that's what I did. Still, it doesn't. Does it pick? Oh yeah.
Yeah, because that's for the case now. If I put should not see, this should fail. Yeah.
Yeah. What's wrong with my this?
I should not see button. Yeah. What's wrong with it? I don't know.
Yeah, because this guy can't find it. This guy can't find it.
Take out the quotation marks for the not.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me hope it finds it. Okay.
Yep.
So expect page 2 a button true.
Okay.
Not
Have no button. Or yeah. Oh. Huh.
expected merge. Yeah. Not yeah. So here in my steps, if expect Is this correct?
Wait, should not see button merge. Yeah, mine failed.
This is not correct because I could see it.
Okay.
Oh, so I think I wrote them.
Yes.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
So we should have an implementation such that the button is not displayed. If the user is
If the user is not an admin.
yeah. Oh man, where do you do that? Content controller. Newer edit. Let's put on article. New edit and less params. Whoa. So I think I'm just going around in circles. Are you doing something? So I was thinking first we need to be able to get the user,
Yeah.
the current user, and then request the post. I think that can be gotten within request.
I think you can just do current user.
Oh, okay. Oh, the old man is calling again. Let me just tell you I'm on another.
Current user.
Yeah, so current user. So we can pass the user type to the form as if request post trend as new. Maybe I drop a binding.cry here. Because I am not sure. Oh, he was so happy. So current user. So so we had, did we have user profile or it was just called profile? Profile. It was just called profile. So it seems what I'm seeing, maybe we'll need to get to assign a profile. Maybe.
So we have the profile ID. Each user has a profile. Wait, let me see. I need to look at the user model, I think.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Maybe able to merge. Able to merge posts equals.
There's an admin. In the user model, there's an admin method to check if it's an admin, if they're admin.
Okay.
So you can just do if current user dot admin. I think.
Current user dot admin. But is there? Oh yeah, it's in the model user. Page attribute. Initialize. Yeah, so I've just seen it. Current user.admin. Yeah. So in the new, yeah, I think it should be just here. But this will be so easy, man.
Yeah.
What happened? Index error, expecting that. Yeah. I thought this is how it should be added.
What? Yeah, me too.
How did you do
That's
it?
what I did. Well, I mean, but I put it around the whole div. Let me show you. Where is it? Form. I did if show merge, which is that's the one that I passed, and then put it around the whole div.
Yeah, I think this is my problem.
But yes, no, it's still doing the same thing for me.
Okay. Oi, tutorial. Oi. Attention. 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 Yeah, mine works.
Yours works?
Yep, I just had it. I have all greens. I just had the. I should not see inside here.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see.
No. No. No.
Let's see. Yeah, mine's still failing.
Okay, let's have a look.
So, first of all, this one, I put. So, did you put it around the whole div, or you only did around the
Around the submit tag.
submit tag? And then my show merge also is coming up null when I did the binding.pry. So maybe that's the problem. It should be true or false, I think.
Yeah.
So I go back to, where was it? In the content controller.
Yeah.
Show merge equals current user dot admin. Show merge equals current user dot admin. And then if show merge. Yeah, I think I don't see anything.
I think Shamaj is correct.
Maybe I didn't put it in the right place. Use the newer edit.
Yeah, mine is in your edit. Probably the same place as well. Let me see.
Okay.
Edit from the controller. Yeah, same place.
Okay.
After articles of text field.
And then maybe my user is an admin. No, because when I tried show merge, it says it's nil. I think it should be nil. Let me put the pry right. Can I do a pry right here?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Maybe You can do, yeah, you can just try. Clap your hands. Nice.
Show merge is true. Okay, so then the problem is that show merge is true. That means that the current user is an admin.
Yeah.
So I need to change that. So let me. So that current user. Can I do current user? Mr. Admin.
Yeah, so maybe you didn't change your logins. Oh yeah. Maybe in your step definition for login, you just passed everything as Mr. Oh no, but it was login. You were using login. So in so Average Joe is a publisher. Or maybe. Are you running all the scenarios or? Did you just run one? Hello?
Back.
Oh, okay.
All right, sorry. Yeah, I just forgot to plug in my laptop.
Yeah.
So current user is Mr. Admin. That's the problem. Mr. Admin is an admin.
So what's how are you logging in the given that I am logged in as?
It says, given I am logged in to the admin panel as Average Joe with password Average Joe. But
Can you
it's actually, huh?
If indeed in the steps we have, but I saw we were doing
Oh, actually, so I'm on the first one.
oh
I
yeah,
need to, yeah, so I
continue.
need to do, what does it continue?
Yeah.
Uh,
Exit.
yeah, exit. Okay, now I'm back. So now I do current user, Mr. Admin.
Can you just run the specific test, like specifying the line number? Just exit with a bang and then run the specific test with the line number.
Yeah, but then the merge, then it won't be in the right place, and the binding will be like that's what I did before, but then it couldn't access um the variable that I wanted. It said it was nil. This merge show merge variable was nil if I do it right here. Like if I see. So if I do exit and then only run the one test, right?
Yeah, and run just
And we're going to do 27. Okay, and then I do true. And then current user, average Joe. Average Joe, profile ID 1. So that's why. So
yeah, I'm back.
alright. When the following users exist, profile ID, profile ID.
Yeah, that should be user profile ID. Yeah, I think you got it.
It should be user profile ID.
No. The profile ID on line 89 uses user profile ID. User profile label.
On line 89.
.first.id.
Oh, profile ID equals profile where label
.first.id.
.id.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Or okay.
Yeah.
Did we have a profile? I thought we changed it to profile ID though.
What?
Profile label, no.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, okay. So that should work now.
Yeah. Banana leaves. Don't know why they chose cucumber.
Yeah. Oh. Take out the binding.pry. Where is the binding.pry? And then again.
Maliza soup.
I should not see a merge button passing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, sounds like Christmas.
And then run the whole thing.
Yep, but then the test of I should not see a merge button is not comprehensive, because still the person will be able to see the text box to merge.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should add that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I should not see a merge button, and I should not.
I should not see article. Was it article ID?
Yeah, it should not see article ID.
So, my cucumbers.
Facciamo? Facciamo? Che diciamo cool. Yes.
Is
I don't think we need to redefine this step. I think this time we can say then I should see article ID.
but can it work with text boxes?
Well, this is a label. Article ID is a label. Oh, text box named article ID. Oh,
Yeah,
so you're checking for the text box.
yeah.
But we can also check for the label because the label is there if you're an admin.
Yeah.
And then so the text box is
The label can exist independent. The text box can exist independent of the label, right?
yes. Well, can the label exist independent of the text box though?
So does that mean we need to check both or either?
I think that if they both can exist independent of each other, then we should check for both. Let's see. Okay, so
Hey, did it pass?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was distracted, so I have not implemented it. Oh, I should not see merge with the field. Yep. So should see. So if that expect page. Not
Laila.
not have failed. How did you pass the
So if you go to the Capybara cheat sheet, I use this have field That
This can work, yeah?
have field matcher or whatever.
And then now here. With my Here's my form. FP admin. Yep. So where are you? Yeah. Undefined experts. Please. Side, please.
To XPath.
Yeah. Or does it not use?
I don't think there should be an ID. If you look at a cheat sheet, it should just be like a hash and a
Okay.
hash field.
Oh. Uh, I think they all pass, but I can't see where I added my binding prime.
Here it is.
Yep, yeah. They all pass. Yep.
Nice.
Nice, 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 nice. What next?
So that takes care of the first two scenarios. So that's all it said that we need to do for the assignment.
Okay.
It doesn't actually say to do 3 and 4, even though they're listed there.
Yeah, so
There's 5 listed, but it said to do 1 and 2. But I don't know.
yeah, this looks like RSpec to me.
Yeah. When the articles are merged, the merged article should have one author.
Comments on each of the two original articles need to all carry over and point to the new merged article. Haha. Did we really do this?
No.
Yeah, seems we have some RSpec to write.
Okay. But if we do that, then we are going above and beyond the assignment, I think.
Yeah, but maybe it will be good for the for practice.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah. Do we wait for Peter on that point so that we don't leave him?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
That's probably good for today.
Yeah. So we don't go so much ahead. I think that's cool.
Yep. And then after this, there is only one other assignment.
Yeah, the very final one, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and then at least we will be done.
Yeah, that'll be next week, I guess.
Yeah, maybe I look for guys who are starting from week 1 and go through it with them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
but
want to go through it over again?
yeah, but then we have the React course that we will start looking into after this.
Okay.
Yeah, you said you are not started yet, right?
No, I
Yeah,
haven't started.
yeah. So I think that's something as well, and also maybe picking a project and doing
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Taking the Agile Interest project.
Yep. And maybe making
Yeah, that'd be good.
making advances at the weekend, but we'll decide when the time comes.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice.
Alrighty.
See you soon
We'll
then.
see you tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow. Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Baby. Nani anachokoza?